Jack's got a little bit of a airplane build going on. He's so excited to share with us the details of this build.
What do you feel? I get to watch my every move. You recorded.
So, what material is the plane gonna be made out of?
Foam board. And
Is
hot
that?
glue.
And then what's gonna be your engine?
Just an electric brushless motor.
Is that from the old plane you're gonna use, or are you building a new one?
No, I'm getting a new one.
Are you gonna pull it out of one of your?
No.
You're gonna buy it.
Mhm.
Is it gonna have a propeller too?
Yep. I decided to just buy a full little power pack.
No, I'll watch you make the plane. So what is that piece right there that you're making?
It's a good question. It's I don't know.
You're not sure? Well, that's cool.
I'm
I'm sure that's how Boeing made the Max Air or whatever whatever that plane is called. Like, I don't know what this computer does.
I don't know what it's called, but I know it goes on the wing.
And how much do you think the plane?
As a spar.
How much do you think the plane will end up weighing about?
Maybe a pound or 2 or 3.
And this is the foam boat over here, right?
Yeah.
And you got the glue sticks. What are those for?
Gluing foam together.
Oh.
Or just otherwise chucking them at the GoPro.
All right. All right. Very good. Continue on.
Recorded. You are being recorded. So we can all watch the epic failure together. I think I should just throw it, like, down there.
Yeah. Seemed to work pretty good last time. The one
Yeah.
Not last time, but the one time. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that's pretty soft landing. Save that.
I kind of pulled it up in the air at that last second. You saw it?
Yeah.
That was
It looks pretty
that
intact.
was the reason it was such not a soft landing.
Oh. Okay. Ready?
I'm gonna try adjusting the weight a little farther forward.
Okay. Cool.
2.
Woo. That's the best flight yet. Whoa. I know, are you gonna hit me? Don't hit me. Oh boy, the wind is not helping you at that angle at all. Here it goes. Cool.
You can edit it out, I guess.
I don't edit.
Not even like the onboard, like the in-phone, like editing tool.
Nah,
Okay.
leave it to Dad. Yeah, let's see how far it'll go. Alright, soft landing.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. That's a pretty cool landing.
A little touch and go there.
Yeah, that was a little dicey there for a minute.
Yeah, the rudder was way too
Whoa, you can just imagine the person in there. Whoa, I'd be
Whoa,
puking.
As they hit the ground the second time, and think, are we still flying? Yeah, that rudder is way too small. I held it to the left the whole time and it kept turning.
Oh, really? It kept turning right?
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa, whoa. Oh man, that did not look good. I would not want to be in there.
It doesn't have enough dihedral, it just rolled to the left and I'm right. If you could fly down this hill and not hit the ground,
I don't know.
that'd be kind of amazing.
It's pretty shallow.
Kind of unlikely.
I think you need a steeper drop. Not bad.
Didn't go down that far though, I wouldn't have made that high.
All right, here we go. Let's roll. Captain Ahab is ready to take a ship.
Still recording?
I don't know. I think so.
You're just recording the ground.
Oh.
Well, can you look through the camera to see what the actual camera is seeing? Or you can just film the ground.
All right. Filming goose poop.
Even better.
Like the Wright brothers, we searched high and low for that place that had the consistent wind.
And we didn't do a very good job, now did we? Yes, you can go ahead and call this a plane.
Carbon steel.
Hot glue.
Oh, same thing.
So, this thing is most likely to fail spectacularly.
Well, you've got the Cleveland's own duct tape, colored. That duct tape, the big sign by the highway, it says duck on it. I'll show it to you sometime.
Hold that down. We're gonna use these ultra high-tech carbon fiber propellers.
Good.
Also known as random plastic.
Even better. Little known fact, these are in fact the same propellers that Trevor Brower was using when he cut his finger. Most people don't know that.
They are in fact cleared for takeoff as soon as my hands become not numb.
What do you think? You should just chuck it that way? Like,
Why would I do that? If anything, I'm gonna jump into the wind.
okay, all right. I don't know. Not Howard Hughes.
Probably you just chuck it like.
That's good. I like that. I like that. Based off of my deep aeronautical.
And then it's gonna go flying into the air. And then I'm gonna realize the rudder's too small and it's gonna hit the tree because I can't turn it.
I say give it a shot.
Yeah! That's the spirit. The wind. I know, I can't steer it. The wind's gonna blow it and it's gonna end up in the tree over there.
All right, good. We can get it from that tree.
Calm down a bit.
Oh man! Oh! Sweet!
I need more dihedral.
That was awesome.
That's terrible.
Got like 100 feet in the air. Nice work, Jack. All right. Out for the second run. We'll see if it works.
Yeah, I should make a video out of this.
Sure, why not?
The ground
I'm not filming the ground. You're right in it. You'll see when you see the pictures. I'm like Mark.
You have to crop the image to the top of it, or I'm only in the top half of the screen.
That does happen, but I'm not trying to be Martin Scorsese. Little less wind.
You're filming the hill.
I'm not filming the hill. You keep thinking. I can look through the camera.
See it. You literally just moved it up. Okay,
No.
5 degrees.
We're gonna watch this. We're gonna watch it back, and you're gonna be like, "Oh yeah."
You have to crop it because I'm in like the top left of the screen.
And we'll see. We'll do that old Ken Burns crop maybe. Is it still coming the same way?
So I'm gonna chuck it into the wind. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fail, and then we're gonna take it back home, fix it, and maybe try again today.
All right, sounds good. What happened?
I forgot to put safety on, and the throttle was slightly above 0%, so it wouldn't engage there.
Does that mean we have to go home, or does that mean it works?
No, that means absolutely nothing.
Oh.
Put the elevator.
That's what you want your pilot to say. Sitting on the runway. Gosh dang, man, that rudder's not there centered there. Go back and center that thing. Here's a hammer. Don't worry, folks. We'll get that there rudder aligned and be on our way to Tampa. It was weird. The other one really didn't fly like that, did?
I threw it too high.
Is that what it was?
I threw it too high of
An angle.
Hit one of the geese. That'll be like the target.
Oh yeah. That'll go well. Get dive bombed for the rest of my life. Geese will recognize me.
Check all the ailerons and
Whatever, they probably were.
Again, that's what you want to hear from your pilot. I don't know, George. They probably work.
all right, come on.
Let's do it.
Here goes nothing.
That sounded funky. What was that?
Why did it turn right back towards us too? Was that the wind or was that you turning? How'd the propeller do?
The propeller's toast.
Oh man,
I cannot control that.
that was awesome. Wow, why didn't I get that on video?
Control that thing at all.
You controlled it somewhat. It flew.
Did you see that?
Oh my god, that was crazy. This poor thing is cartwheeled hard.
I'm just surprised the wind is still on the thing. No, that was something.
I could not get my phone out fast enough. It's holding my breath.
Oh, the tail snapped off.
That was high. Oh man.
Oh, the motor's over here.
The whole motor
And half the propeller.
and half the propeller. Field of debris.
Well,
Wow.
should have put dihedral in it.
You think that would have made the difference? Really?
Well, yeah, I would have been able to. Like, it was rolling all over the place.
It was all over the place. All right, well, I know you'll put it back together.
Two action cameras.
Yep.
Open sesame.
Ready to go. Look at this monstrosity. It's the Boeing 747 of homemade planes.
More like the that plane from Madagascar.
Oh yeah. Yeah, same thing. Except this one has a camera that you've put now on the front of it.
Oh yeah.
So what's the record? A minute 35? Is that what you think?
Like a minute 45?
Minute 45.
Minute 44-ish, kind of. I'll just say a minute 40 because it was like maybe a second. Maybe like half a second of after it crashed and a half a second before I saw it.
Oh yeah, little breeze.
Yeah, just a little breeze.
He'll end up in the top of the rec center. Have to go ask him. That's tape, folks. He's not actually using the American flag.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
Which way are you throwing it? Towards me?
Say hi. I'm not throwing it towards you.
How you doing?
You didn't have to get that close.
Hello.
Cool.
Come on, Flappy Bird, give us a good show.
Oh yeah, and I named the plane Flappy Bird because of how it flies.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Epic. That is epic. Did you hear someone yell, cool? Oh, and then there it goes.
Really?
Like a good landing. Let's go see.
Come on. Oh, we left the door open.
Ah, that's all right.
But
Oh no, you didn't wear good boots. You didn't wear good shoes, Max. totally bent down. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Set this over when it's not.
There's your weights.
Both of my weights jettisoned from the plane.
But the propeller is intact.
That's the longest flight yet, I'd say.
That is sweet. I consider that a landing.
Hopefully, after this rainstorm of weekend's over, which, according to you, does exist.
Yeah,
Unlike today.
it's supposed to rain a lot. There might be breaks.
No, they circled around.
It's okay. Uh-oh. What's that guy flying? Is that a drone? Oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Come back. Not in the trees. I know. I'm just talking to myself. Thanks, hi. That was really close. Oh. I thought you were way higher than that.
Me too.
I totally thought you were like 5 feet off the ground.
I thought it was too.
That was a ride.